welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited because it is finally summertime, which means the weather is so much warmer. The sun's finally shining because it has been actually pretty cloudy here. Even in like May and a little bit of June, it's been so cloudy and I'm like, why is the weather like this? But it's finally starting to warm up, and that's why I'm so excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my summer routine with my baby sister. Usually in the mornings when it's summer, I'll shower, which I already did, and then, you know, brush my hair, brush my teeth, get dressed, and eat breakfast, which today I had oatmeal. I'm gonna go find Chloe and see what she's doing, and then I'm gonna help her get dressed into a super cute summer outfit. It looks like Chloe's eating her breakfast. What are you having for breakfast? Is that cheese? That looks so yummy, Chloe. Yeah, Okay, Chloe, as soon as you're finished eating, I'm gonna help you get dressed into your super cute outfit for the day. Does that sound good? Oh, did you drop a piece of cheese? Silly Coco. Ooh, this is a very adorable outfit for Chloe to wear. This is a new one, you haven't worn it yet. It's super cute. Show everyone your outfit, Chloe. You're looking so fancy. The only thing we need is a headband. Oh my gosh, look at you! You're looking so fancy and pretty. Oh no, don't take your headband off. You gotta leave it on, it looks so cute. Look at her little tutu. Do you wanna go to Alyssa's room? Do you wanna come to Alyssa's room? Come on! Yay, she made it to Alyssa's room! Oh, did you find a puppy? Oh my gosh, I have to tell you guys, lately, Chloe has been so obsessed with puppy because, are you giving the puppy a kiss? She's been so obsessed with puppies because she can say puppy now. So now I picked out all these animals for her to play with last night. I just left them here because, you know, she's always coming in my room anyways. And now she always gives them hugs and kisses and she says, puppy, puppy. It's so cute. Can you give the puppy a kiss? Let me see. Or a hug. Ooh, what's that? What are you doing? You're so funny. You do the most random things, Coco. Wow. Oh, look at that funny face, Coco. What was that? Uh-oh. Here, you want your puppy?
Hello.
You're welcome. Oh, are you giving your puppy a hug? That is so nice. Oh. Oh, that's a nice hug, Coco. Coco left, but it looks like she's on her way back with her little puppy. It's so adorable because she always runs to my room. She's, of course, obsessed with saying my name. She's always saying, Alyssa, Alyssa. Oh, are you giving her another hug? Actually, just yesterday, I was gone at an event with my mom and my dad, and David was babysitting Chloe, and the whole time she was saying, where's Alyssa? Yeah, Alyssa, that's right. Sometimes when it's summer, I'll open my window just a little bit to let some warm, fresh air in. Yesterday, I did a painting video, so there's still a little bit of cleanup left to do from that. Looks like I still got to clean these brushes and put these pens away. Let's put these back where they go. Now that my desk is all cleaned off, I'm going to set it up how it was before because I was working on a really pretty watercolor project right here. I suppose I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Of course, it still has the blue tape, but here's what it's looking like so far. Sometimes for my summer routine, I'll go down the hall and check if we got any new cool packages or PR boxes or anything like that, which today we did. It's actually these really cute squishies, and I think I'm going to open them for you guys. Let's go run and get the box. Say hi to Maui, everybody. Good boy, Maui. Were you in the middle of a good nap? Aww. Oh, look. There happens to be the box. Look at that. What is that? You like it too? Oh, good boy. What a nice dog. I'm really excited about these squishies, especially because they're Disney. I can't wait to see what they look like. Before I open this wonderful box that I'm very excited about, I also wanted to tell you guys while I was down there, I saw that Mini Melts sent us something. They sent us this super cool box. I'll have to show you guys when I'm done with this, but they actually sent us real mini melts that we can eat, which is so cool. They sent a bunch of different flavors. I was really excited about that too. Anyways, let's open this box. I don't think I'll need scissors. Let's see here. I think I got it, okay. Almost got it. Ooh, look, they all come in their own individual packages. How cute. Can't wait to open one. Ooh, it looks like you can get Lucky. I really want to get Lucky. He's so cute. I love dogs. Let's see. This is a cute package. I like it. Oh, this is interesting. It's like kind of, I don't know what the word is, but yeah, it's like almost flexible. Interesting. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh my gosh, I got Eeyore. Oh, look how cute. It's actually so soft. Look how soft that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think you can also get Simba in here, so I hope I get him too. Or maybe Dumbo, that would be also really cute. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look, it's one of the little minions. I think that's their name, right? Wait, let me double check. How can I forget that? I've seen that movie so many times. Oh, what's their name? Oh, the aliens. Yeah, I was close. These are actually so soft though. Like, I'm really surprised. Look how soft that is. Let's see who I get next. Another alien. Oh my gosh, yes, I got the Dalmatian. Oh, so cute. Look at the little ears. Looks so adorable. I love it. I'm really hoping that I get, oh my gosh, yes, I did. I was gonna say I hope I get Simba. Yes, I did. Look how cute all the red feathers are though. Like, that's adorable. Just like the movie. Okay, so I think there's only 6 that you can get in this series, which is series 2. The only ones I haven't gotten yet are Dumbo and this little guy from the new movie. I think his name is Tuk Tuk. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but hopefully. Oh yeah, I got him. Oh, so cute. This one's actually so cute. I'm not exactly sure the animal, but I like it. Got another Dalmatian. Yes, I got Dumbo. Yay. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at the ears. I love it. These look so cute together, like all these little squishies. I love them so much. So cute. I'm gonna go back down the hall now so I can show you guys the mini melts. Here's the mini melts. Look at the cool box though. I think my brothers already have some, but ooh, looks like it's still very cold inside. I think I'm gonna have the brownie blast. That sounds pretty good. Do you want to bite, Coco? Yeah? Do you want to bite? Yeah? It's a little cold. Oh, there she goes. This is such a cute flavor. I love it. I love the little brownie bits. Here, Chloe, you want a little bit? You want to try that? I think she's had mini melts once before and she really liked them. But it's a perfect for like a baby treat also because they're so tiny. Mmm, that's good, huh? Mmm. Yeah. You want more? So yummy, huh? Do you want more? Oh, yes, she does. She must love it. This is probably my new favorite flavor of these because it's so good. I love the brownies. They're so good. I just spent like probably 20 to 30 minutes in my room just like posting TikTok drafts and deleting ones that I don't need because I realized TikTok is taking up so much space on my phone and I had way too many drafts. So I spent some time dealing with that and just like posting on Instagram, doing random stuff like that, and YouTube. But I'm kind of hungry now, so I think I'm gonna go get some lunch. I think I'm gonna have some chicken for lunch. While I wait for my chicken to cook in the air fryer, I'm gonna read a little bit. Looks like it's all finished. Looks yummy. Now I'm gonna practice my guitar for a bit. I just recently finished More Than Words. I don't know if you know that song or not. Anyways, the new song that I'm working on right now that I just started is called Dust in the Wind. So I have all the tabs right here. So I'm just gonna practice a little bit. I have to do the intro and the verse 1. That's what I have to practice. Now that I finished practicing my guitar, I'm gonna go check on Chloe and see how she's doing. Oh, it looks like she's still taking her nap. I just decided to print out all of my Marvel art pieces that are digital, so then that way I can kind of have a small physical copy. I thought that would be kind of cool. It's definitely not the best quality paper, but I can still have them up with my Marvel collection and it'll look pretty cute. I also made a little one of the Queen piece that I did. I love this one, it's so tiny. I cut them out and look how good they look. Here's what they look like now that I've put them in my little Marvel collection. I actually think they look pretty good there. And the lighting's not too great right now, but I think you guys get it. I think I'm gonna work on this for a few minutes. That's my reference picture, and here's my art. I think I'm gonna work on doing the trees up here. Let's turn on my lamp. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think I hear Chloe. She's calling my name. Chloe, is that you? Hi! Oh my gosh, good morning, Chloe. Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Oh, come here. How was your nap, Coco? Was it really good? I hope it was a really good nap. Are you staring at the camera? Yeah? Chloe's back to play with all her puppy friends. Oh, that was a nice hug. I love how you love your puppies, Chloe. It's so cute. Oh, thank you. That was nice. Do you want it back? So loving. Aww. So cute. I could watch her hug her puppies all day. Oh, are you leaving? Oh, bye-bye. Are you stealing my puppy? Is that what it is? Bye. Even though it's evening right now, the weather is still pretty warm, so we're gonna go on a walk. Does that sound fun, Chloe? That was really quiet. Are you excited? Look how cute her hair is. Even though it's all super crooked, it's so cute. Yeah.
What's that? You're eating ice cream for the dogs. And you can also hold
Aw, that is cute. Are you having fun, Maui? We stopped at the park. He's watching all the birds and bunnies, wishing he could chase them. We got home, I put on some pajamas, and now we're making some dinner. I finished my dinner. I forgot to film a clip of it, but it was very good. In case you couldn't tell, it was broccoli with the beef and then some like sauce and also some white rice. So I mixed it all up. Oh my gosh, I had 2 big bowls because I was starving. It was so good. Anyways, I'm about to get ready for bed. Just doing a little bit of digital art before bed. That's what I'm working on. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're not. Bye!